beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this channel is the Kendy Jane Beauty channel, and you'll get to see a lot of Boxycharm on this channel. All the sneak peeks and spoilers and the unboxings, you'll see it all here, plus some additional unboxings, a lot of skincare reviews. So before you move on to this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, and like before we get into it. So let's take a look at what Boxycharm showed us today. Joe came on and showed a few little videos, but in these videos we saw some cute little sneak peeks. And from looking at the video, it's mixed in with some August products. So I think these are absolutely August sneak peeks. So before we get into it, I'll show you the short little clip, and then we'll get into what I found out. Okay, the first product that jumped out at me is this Boxycharm Essentials 2 palette. It has a different configuration than the first one. We knew this was going to be coming. If you watch my channel, we had some sneak peeks earlier about a month or two ago that some more Boxycharm palettes were going to be coming out. And here she is. We possibly will be seeing an Essentials 2 palette. I love the color story of this one as well as I can see it. It's a little blurry, but hopefully we'll be seeing more in the future. The next item is from Tarte. It's the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. This sells for $23, and this has been a cult favorite for a long time. This has 6,386 reviews on Sephora and gets a 4.2 out of 5 stars. I don't think we can go wrong with this mascara, and the details are it's a vegan mascara that delivers 35% increase in curl while also lengthening, volumizing, and conditioning lashes for over 24 hours. It's smudge-proof, flake-free, and it's hard to find a mascara these days that is not flake-free. It's got special ingredients, so I think this would be a great addition to our boxes. It's something that is tried and true that I know will work for many people. The next product I spy with my little eyes is the Cooling Water Eye Patches. These sell for $22, and they're depuffing under eye gel patches. And these will depuff. They have it's infused with caffeine to support microcirculation to energize the under eyes. It will soothe and hydrate. It's formulated with natural seawater, aloe, and lavender to calm and hydrate under eye skin. It's a no mess. It's got fabric patches that won't slip or slide down your face, so you can bring them out anywhere. And it's got this cooling water that will make your eyes feel awesome. So these will be absolutely great in any box also. Okay, I spy some Korean skincare. Next we have from Pure Heals the Pore Clean Black Charcoal Peel Off Pack. And these sell for around $24. It is a Korean skincare by Nature Village Skin. It's a complete pore caring peel off pack that removes skin impurities and dead skin cells to make your skin look clean and smooth. It is a peel off type pack with charcoal powder and patented botanical ingredients to purify skin, remove impurities from the pores, and give smooth skin texture. If you have oily skin or need some deep cleansing in a pore, this would be great for you. These last products are also one of these products that have been around a while and are very popular. It's from Clarins. It's the Natural Lip Profector. Now these are different from the ones we talked about before. These are more of a natural looking gloss. They come in several different shades, actually like 6 shades. This is the Rose Shimmer. It's absolutely beautiful. It shows 2 light shades in these boxes. This is the Apricot Shimmer. They sell for $26, so that is a lot of money for a lip gloss. And what they say, they're a lip plumping gloss with instant 3D shine and a sheer finish. This nourishing formula delivers a hint of shimmering color plus moisture your lips will feel good about. So these are the few that I see so far in these boxes. If you see any more, please email me and let me know. We see a lot of the products that are going to be in our August box. I want to remind everyone that if you miss out on choice or when add-ons opens, or I know we're going to be having a Boxy pop-up next month probably. So if you want to be notified by email, please get on my Kendy Jane Beauty notification list. It's a notification list to my Bindi babes, and all you need to do to get on this list is email me at kendyjane18@gmail.com and say, hey, can you please add me to your list? And I will add you to the list and gladly that morning notify you when things open. That way you will never miss out on choice add-ons pop up again. If you're planning on subscribing to Boxycharm, right now they're giving away one of the Murad products for your under eyes. Or you can get the Fill Up Orange Touch and Sew palette. This is a beautiful palette. I love it. I have it. It's worth $24 and the Murad product is worth $70. So it's your choice. I'll have both the codes listed below for you to pick which one you are interested in. I have all that information listed below, as well as the code you need to put in at checkouts. It's called Summarize. So the information is down below. No problem. Just click on the link, put your code at checkouts, and you'll get their new product. I think if you unsubscribe before June 1st, you're eligible to get this new product. Plus, remember on Saturday, we're having a Christmas in July. It's a collaboration with my channel and Creations by Jeannie. All that's required is that you're subscribed to both our channels. I have the links below the video if you want to get ahead of it, and that you're set to public. Then on Saturday night at 6 p.m. Central Time, please come on over to my channel, Kendy Jane Beauty, and we will have a Christmas in July, and it'll be a game night. We have several different kinds of games we'll be playing. It'll be just a fun night to get away from all the things going on in life and just have a few hours of fun. Plus, I have my regular giveaway going on right now with the Too Faced Natural Lip palettes. I'm giving away 2 of these babies. One is for everyone to get in on. All you have to do is watch the videos in July, and as you watch them at the end, you like it, and then you make a comment. Your comment is your entry. So please, I will put the link up above to the playlist of my July videos so far. That way you can catch up on these videos, and I appreciate that so much. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, let beauty transform you inside and out, and always have a beautiful smile on your face. Bye. Mwah.